Display 16.23 cm, 6.39 FHD plus Ultra Full View Super AMOLED display with 19.59 aspect ratio and 91.64% screen to body ratio. Pop-up selfie camera, 32 MP pop-up selfie camera with eye face beauty, eye portrait. T-composition bokeh mode, eye body shaping, portrait light effect, AR sticker, video face beauty, gender detection. Triple rear camera, 48 million quad pixel sensor, 12 million effective pixel, plus 8 MP plus 5 MP. It eye super wide angle, eye face beauty, eye portrait composition bokeh mode, eye body shaping, portrait light effect, AR sticker, video face beauty, gender detection. Powerful performance, Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM, which is expandable up to 256GB. In-display fingerprint sensor, refined over 5 generations. The in-display fingerprint scanning offers futuristic security style. 1 year manufacturer warranty for device and 6 months manufacturer warranty for inbox. Vivo v15 Pro. Color, topaz blue vertical bar style name, with offer. The Vivo v15 Pro smartphone comes with 48mm on quad pixel sensor, 12 million effective pixel, plus 8 MP plus 5 MP eye triple rear camera, world's first 32 MP pop-up selfie camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor, 6GB RAM, 128GB internal memory expandable. Up to 256GB, 16.23 cm, 6.39 FHD plus Super AMOLED Ultra Full View display, a massive 3700 mAh battery with dual engine fast charging and much more. From the manufacturer. Ultra Full View display. Vivo S Ultra Full View display is back with v15 Pro. Its 16.23 cm, 6.39 FHD plus display with Super AMOLED screen is utterly seamless from end to end, boosting a maximized screen-to-body ratio of 91.64%. 3 MP pop-up selfie camera. Capture image with 32 MP pop-up selfie camera. The impressive beautification features can make your face look slimmer and skin smoother. Why bother with post-editing? Perfect S. Devices are just a click away. Eye triple rear camera. Witness stunning clarity, even in the dark, and expand your perspective like never before with the 48 million quad pixel sensor, 12 million effective pixels, 8 MP eye super wide angle camera, a 5 MP depth camera and upgraded eye algorithms. Eye Super Night Mode. Eye Super Night Mode eliminates the problem of unclear photos in the dark. It works by TLY capturing multiple photos at different exposures, combining them to greatly improve brightness and clarity. Eye Super Wide Angle Camera. The Eye Super Wide Angle Camera expands your view to 120 degrees, so you can include more people in your shots, snap more of the most beautiful scenes, and capture a more stunning world from a wider perspective. Powerful performance. v15 Pro is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 octa-core processor. The 6GB RAM and 128GB storage further elevates your experience. Now run multiple apps with ease or smoothly play large-scale games. Dual engine fast charging. Though slim and lightweight, v15 Pro packs a punch in the power department, with a large 3700 mAh battery and Vivo's exclusive dual engine fast charging. Who needs a power bank now? Indeed. in-display fingerprint sensor. Refined over 5 generations, the in-display fingerprint scanning offers futuristic security with style. It makes the ultra full view display experience possible. Ultra smooth. Gaming. We know mobile gaming is important to you, so we made it more enjoyable with Game Mode 5.0. Play esports like a pro by entering competition mode. When it comes to speed, Dual Turbo is the lead. Fast feature gamers need. It both increases smooth gameplay and reduces frame drop by 300%. Jovi, Smarter Eye. Vivo's Eye has made another leap forward, with the more powerful Jovi that understand your needs and desires better than ever. Besides the dedicated smart button and Jovi image recognizer, V15 Pro also features a more intuitive version of Google Assistant, specifically customized for